wondered what makes sourdough bread so incredibly special? That tangy aroma, that chewy texture, that complex flavor you just can't get enough of. It's not magic, it's science, and a little bit of history, too. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of sourdough. We'll explore the microscopic universe of wild yeasts and bacteria that power this ancient bread, unraveling the science behind its unique characteristics. Prepare to learn why sourdough tastes so good, what makes it different from commercially yeasted bread, and most importantly, how you can create your own incredible loaf right in your own kitchen. Get ready to unlock the secrets of sourdough. Sourdough. It's ancient. We're talking older than written history. Predating even cultivated yeast. Imagine life before instant gratification. Before pre-packaged everything. That's the world sourdough was born into. Its origins are thought to trace back to ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, around 1500 BC. Evidence suggests that these early civilizations accidentally discovered the power of wild yeasts and bacteria when grains were left exposed to the elements. These microscopic organisms, naturally present in the air and on grains, would settle in, ferment, and voila, bubbly, sour bread. Unlike modern bread making, which relies on carefully selected and cultured yeast strains, these early loaves were a wild fermentation free-for-all. A symphony of different yeasts and bacteria working together, contributing to the unique flavors and textures that define sourdough. For centuries, sourdough was simply bread. It was the bread from the Fertile Crescent. The knowledge and techniques spread throughout the ancient world, becoming a staple in countless cultures. Fast forward millennia, and sourdough saw a resurgence in the California gold rush. Miners, far from home, relied on its long shelf life and hearty nature. These early bakers, often immigrants, helped establish San Francisco as a sourdough mecca. While we can't pinpoint individual names from the very earliest days, figures like Isidore Boudin, the founder of Boudin Bakery in San Francisco in 1849, played a crucial role in popularizing and preserving specific sourdough cultures, passing down starter from generation to generation. Then, in the late 19th century, scientists like Louis Pasteur began to unravel the mysteries of fermentation. His work in microbiology laid the groundwork for understanding the complex interplay of yeast and bacteria that gives sourdough its character. Suddenly, it wasn't just magic, it was science. And that brings us to today. A world obsessed with this naturally leavened loaf. A bread that continues to evolve, fueled by passionate bakers and ever-increasing scientific understanding. From ancient accident to modern marvel, sourdough's journey is a testament to the enduring power of simple ingredients and the fascinating world of microbial life. Sourdough's not just a historical footnote. It's experiencing a massive renaissance. From artisanal bakeries popping up in every city to home bakers proudly showcasing their loaves online, sourdough is everywhere. Why? Well, beyond the fantastic flavor we've explored, there's a growing appreciation for its health benefits. The fermentation process makes the nutrients in the grains more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb them easier. Some people find it easier to digest than commercially yeasted bread, too. And it's not just about taste and health. Sourdough baking has become a real community. Online forums, baking workshops, and sourdough starter sharing are all part of a vibrant culture. People connect over their love of feeding their starters, troubleshooting their loaves, and sharing their triumphs and failures. Think of it as a delicious, yeasty social network. Restaurants are also embracing sourdough, using it for everything from gourmet sandwiches and pizzas to elegant bread baskets. Chefs are experimenting with different flours, hydration levels, and fermentation times to create truly unique and memorable breads. The impact is clear. Sourdough has elevated the bread experience, connecting us to a slower, more thoughtful way of eating and crafting. It's a delicious piece of history that's very much alive and baking today. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the microbial world of sourdough, uncovering the magic behind its tangy flavor, chewy texture, and impressive health benefits. From the symbiotic dance of yeasts and bacteria, to the slow fermentation process that unlocks complex flavors, we've seen how much science is baked into every loaf. And of course, we walked through the basics of starting your own starter. Looking ahead, I think we'll see even more innovation in the world of sourdough. Expect to see more research into specific microbial strains and their impact on flavor profiles, as well as new techniques for optimizing fermentation and baking. Sourdough's not just a trend. It's a testament to the power of ancient traditions meeting modern science. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of sourdough, be sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the fascinating science behind your favorite foods. There's always something new to discover in the kitchen.